Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm showing you the best NVIDIA Control Panel settings for 2025 edition to get higher FPS, smoother gameplay and better visual quality on your PC. This is a complete tutorial, so I will explain every single option step by step, and let's get started. Alright, first right click on your desktop and select the NVIDIA Control Panel. Before we open the advanced 3D settings, we need to change one very important option. On the left side, I'm clicking Adjust Image Settings with Preview. Here you will see three choices. Do not use Let the 3D application decide or use my preference, performance or quality. Instead, select Use the advanced 3D image settings. This gives you full control over all performance settings and unlocks the best FPS. After selecting it, click on Take Me There. This will open the Manage 3D settings page where we will continue. Now we are inside Manage 3D settings and we're going to configure everything from top to bottom. The first one is image sharpening. Set this to off for maximum performance. If you want sharper visual in single player games, you can enable it, but competitive players should keep it off. Ambient occlusion set to off for more FPS. Set to performance or quality only if you want better shadows. Anisotropic filtering set to off here, let the game handle it. Anti-aliasing or FXAA, keep this off. FXAA makes the image blurry. Anti-aliasing gamma correction set to on. This improves lighting. Anti-aliasing mode set to off or application control. Anti-aliasing settings, leave it off unless you force AA. Anti-aliasing transparency set to off for performance. Background application max frame rate set to off unless you want FPS limits while tapped out. CUDA GPUs set to all. CUDA system fallback policy live on driver default. Low latency mode for competitive gaming set to ultra. And max frame rate set to off unless you want to limit FPS. Multi-frame sample AA or MFAA, turn it off. In the next section, OpenGL GDI compatibility set to auto. OpenGL rendering GPU, choose your main GPU. And the next one is texture filtering settings. Texture filtering or anisotropic sample optimization turned off. Texture filtering negative LOD bias set to clamp for less shimmering. Texture filtering on quality set to high performance for maximum FPS. Texture filtering trilinear optimization turn on. Threaded optimization set to auto. Triple buffering turn off unless using VSync. Vertical sync or VSync set to use the 3D application settings. Virtual reality pre-rendered frames set to 1 for low latency mode. We leave this one as default, and virtual reality turn off unless you have a VR headset that supports it. Vulkan OpenGL presents method, leave this on auto. And power management mode set to prefer maximum performance. This is one of the most important settings for gaming. Shader cache size set to driver default. And that's it. These are the best NVIDIA Control Panel settings for 2025 with every option explained clearly and simply. If this, do hit the like and subscribe button and tell me in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your boosted FPS.